Alright, here we go. Alignment time. Bye, Mrs. O. Well, brake pedal feels good. That's a plus. Make sure the bearing noise is gone. About a million times better. You couldn't even hear yourself think inside this car. Of course, these things have a lot of road noise as it is, but it was a tad on the aggressive side, we'll say. Our tires feel good. Oops, I forgot to put my seatbelt on. No shimmying. Do have a very slight pull to the left though. But I was fiddling with the tie rod ends. Brakes feel nice and smooth. We're neutral. Let's see. Alright, so our rear camber is pretty close. I don't even believe it's adjustable on this. Our right rear toe, that's one that we were messing with. Pretty close. Just want to see where the front's at. The front might be good as long as the steering wheel is straight. We will find out here. I don't believe this has cam bolts in it from the factory. Of course, the toe never fails, always ends up perfect after you take the time to get the jam nuts cleared up. So we'll hop back to the back. We will adjust this toe right here. Pop that up on the screen. We'll go back, grab a 14 mil and get it straightened up. Here we go. I don't know if I can loosen that up with a wrench. Snugged her up pretty good. Yep. We just got to move it just a tiny bit. Towed out right now, so we got to bring it in a little. Not much. Wrong way, all right. Of course it is. I said what way I had to go, and I went the wrong way. Stays. We'll snug it up just a little bit here. Probably should get a ratchet or something. Give it a jiggle. Looks good. Alignment racks are a wicked pain in the butt to work on. Just because the runways are always in the way. That light is so bright. Alright, let's see if it stayed. That light is so bright. Let's see, that looks pretty good. Back out of that. Of course, now that cam bolts off a little bit on that side. Alright, so I just did a wheel compensation where we take the initial measurement and then everything came back. So sometimes when you're adjusting a toe without rear slip plate, they get, they bind up a little. So did that. You can see the camber you know, should get some, I assume they make an aftermarket kit to adjust the camber, but it's within spec. 200,000 miles, old vehicle. I'm happy. Hope you think it's funny.
Hey, now it is mildly entertaining. Now it just went red.
Oh, did it really?
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay. All right, so the steering wheel's nice and straight.
Right, that's all it matters.
Yep. Oh, man. Yeah, see? It's all green. Told you.
Brand new tires, they won't even notice for another 10,000 miles.
That's right. Then you can just tell them, hey, they must have hit a pothole.
New York City.
All right, all the entertainment committee is gone. Steering wheel is straight. We're just going to make sure on the screen that everything is green. And it is. So tenths, hundredths, 3/100ths of an inch out on toe. Not even going to touch it. Front camber is pretty decent, given the year, age, mileage. She should wear tires pretty well. I gotta tell you, these guys make it a little hard to do YouTube videos because they harass me while I'm here. At any rate, you can see that we did just the slight toe adjustment on this one. Now the front toe is extremely close. I'm not even gonna bother touching that, even though I went through and, you know, got those all freed up. But if you didn't, then you'd end up adjusting them, and like I said, they're a pain to do on a lift. There's a part of the program you can use where you actually adjust the toe with the wheels turned, but needless to say, that's it. We'll take it for a drive. I'm gonna get the heads off, get it taken care of, and we'll take it for a shake. So you got a couple Canadians hanging out here, Chelsea. So you got a couple Canadians hanging out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Canadian geese. Oh, they saw me. They're on the move. The dreaded Bill.
It's not too bad.
Thanks, young lady.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
What's going on over here, Jeff?
Oh, just finishing up
Classic.
motor job.
The old zip tie repair, huh?
No, come on.
Is that factory?
Hell yeah. Actually, yes, it is.
Oh, okay. All right, I believe you.
Actually,
Wow.
yes, that is. They are factory brackets.
Brand new turbo?
New turbo, new lower end, new head gasket, new cam, rocker arms.
Wow.
About $26,000.
That's it, huh? 26 grand. Wow.
26 grand. And the only new part you can see is the turbo.
That's right. Oh, hopefully the rest of the new parts stay together for your sake, huh?
Hope so.
Wow. How many miles are on, Jeff?
This one or the truck?
On that engine, do you know?
On this engine, 530-some thousand.
Oh, okay. What's the truck got on it?
No, that's what the truck.
Oh, that's
has.
what the truck has on it. Oh, okay. So it's original engine?
Yeah.
Nice.
But it should last way longer than that.
Have you heard it yet?
Have it. First thing in the
Oh,
morning.
man. First thing in the morning, huh?
First thing in the morning.
You'd rather have it ruin your morning than ruin your night?
Yep.
All right. See ya. All right, let's get out of here. Between the music and the F-bombs, it's pretty difficult to make a video here, I'll be honest with you. And the audience, can't forget about that. Let's see. Now I got stuck behind an old guy in a caddy. Let's see. The road's pretty straight right here. Steering wheel straight. Hands off the wheel. It's following the road crown just ever so slightly, which they should. Alright, well, it seems to drive and behave quite well. The wheels don't shimmy or shake and the brakes are smooth. I know the alignment video wasn't what it should have been, but like I say, recording in somebody else's shop is always a tad difficult. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We'll head back to the shop, see Mrs. O. I think we made our 5 o'clock deadline, so we should be good. Whew, do we make it? Oh, 20 minutes to spare, Mrs. O. 189, 183. 189, 183. You got it?
What'd you say?
I don't remember. 2. It's mileage.
I was making it.
All right. How about the guy with the Saturn? Did you call him?
I did. I didn't get a hold of them though.
How come every time we come in here, you got this thing? This thing right here. Whoa. But you never stand up.
Gosh, Eric.
All right, I'll put it back down.
Thanks.
Just think about it. I might better walk in here and see you smoking the cigarettes.
Oh my goodness. I just want to know.
It's so hot in here.
I know, it's great.
You have the heater blowing directly onto you.
I know. I haven't felt well.
A few minutes ago, you were like, I feel so good.
I said that?
Pretty much, that's what you implied.
That's what you heard. I didn't say that.
Well, we gotta keep motoring.
Yeah, you do.
I'm gonna take a nap. How do you even stay awake in here?
Oh, I need a nap.
It is disgustingly hot.
It's so nice.
Where's your cot? The other day you made me. We
What?
we agreed on.
What? Oh,
Remember?
you should stop right now. Right now.
Remember that day?
Yeah, I do.
We won't go into details on that. What we will say is, I gotta keep motoring.
Yeah, get to work.
Got a
What
lot
are you
to do.
doing?
I
You're
am.
doing a lot
I'm
of
trying to
talking.
finish up the
This
video.
does not work.
Go down there, click the subscribe button, leave any of your questions, comments, criticisms, or concerns in the comment box below. Give us
You
a
really-
thumbs up.
Want to hear all that?
I do.
You do.
Yeah.
I can give you some. Just thumbs up.
Put it in the
though.
comment box.
Thumbs up.
Alright, good
Yeah.
job. Good job. Now let's finish the video. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.